Hello everyone, welcome back to the Archilab. In this video, we are going to talk about Visualize AI, an AI-powered design tool for architects and interior designers. Go to the google.com and search Visualize AI. Click on the first link. You can scroll down and check other features. Let's log in using Gmail account. The dashboard will look like this. In the dashboard, we have three options. One is architecture, second is interior design, and third is product design. Right now we are exploring architecture. Click on architecture. Now we are in the application. Here you can see we have 5 different type of inputs: ideas, sketch, plan, elevation, and photo. Let's start with the photo. Click on photo and upload an image. Our image is uploaded. As you can see in the bottom, we have 10 templates for architectural styles. We are going to use Mediterranean for our first architectural render. Select Mediterranean from the architectural style. If you want, you can include exterior finishes. Right now we are not going to use any of this and just creating our first render. If you want, you can provide additional inputs or exclude things from our first render. Hit generate. This will take some time. As you can see, we can get 3 promising renders and these are looking quite nice. We can save these images by right clicking and save image as. Locate your folder and save. Repeat this process for all 2 images and save. On left window you can see your AI generated image and right side our base input image. Let's create one more style using Craftsman. Select Craftsman from architecture style and from exterior finish, this time we are using brickwork, and hit generate. As you can see, these are some great looking AI renders. You can explore this amazing software and create some amazing art. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video. For more such a content, subscribe to Archilab.